Today I will show how to buy shares of Seascape Energy Asia PLC, a company active in offshore energy operations in Asia, listed on LSE PLC under the ticker SEA.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SE.L to find Seascape Energy Asia PLC. Select the matching listing on the London Stock Exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Seascape Energy Asia PLC. Verify the listing details and the CA. Ticker before proceeding to trade. Click Invest or Buy. Select the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.